Hello and welcome back to Karavali Days. Today I'm going to share with you chicken coconut curry recipe. For those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay with us and become a part of our family. Here I've shared 3 lists of ingredients. First list is to prepare masala. Second list is to prepare a tomato puree paste. And the third list are one that we do not prepare paste on but use it to make the curry. So here, the first list that I'm showing is more to do with the masala. So these are the list of ingredients that we have as listed. I've chopped the onions into thin slices for the masala. I'm going to add all this into a bowl, skipping the grated coconut, turmeric and coriander, just to clean it, right? And then while I pour some water and to clean it, I heat a pan, add some oil to it. I'm using coconut oil. You can definitely use any cooking oil of your choice. Once this heats up, add all the masala ingredients and saute it or roast it until it's dry or the moisture leaves it. I wouldn't say extremely dry, but just dry enough. The next bit, which I've not recorded, is you also have to dry roast the grated fresh coconut separately along with turmeric until the moisture leaves it. And all these will be blended together in the mixie grinder and made a masala paste. So this is yes, and I also add coriander in the end. That is not roasted. That's the only ingredient that is not roasted. Make a fine, smooth, I wouldn't say really smooth, but smooth enough, somewhere in between coarse paste and a smooth paste. This is the texture. So set this masala aside for a later use. Next up, you would have to grind coriander, pudina or the mint leaves and the tomato to make a puree out of it. Once you grind it, set this aside as well. Apart from this, I've also taken half a kilo of chicken, which I have washed it with 4 water in salt and turmeric. Now I'm taking a pressure cooker. I'm cooking this using a pressure cooker. I used 3 tablespoons of ghee. You can use oil if you're not somebody who likes ghee like I do. Ghee is my all-time favorite. And apart from the masala, if you read the ingredient properly, I've asked you to take a large onion, dice it into small pieces, and now saute it in the ghee for approximately 5-6 minutes or until it turns translucent. This is a really important process because the more the onion stays raw, the less somehow when the onion stays raw, the enhancement or the flavor does not stay intact. So once it's translucent, add the tomato puree paste. Now roast this paste along with some turmeric until it leaves the edge of the pan. Once that's done, turn off the gas. Add the chicken and mix it in such a way that all the chicken is covered with the masala. Turn on the gas, pour some water and bring it to boil. You can use the water from the mixie jar that you have just prepared the tomato puree paste from. Once this is done, add some salt to it and pressure cook this for 2 whistles, or if your chicken is really tender, 1 whistle will also do. Right after that, remove it off the flame, put some potatoes. This is extremely optional. If you're not somebody or if you're somebody who do not like potatoes, you can skip this bit. Heat the gas to 1 whistle, and now we add the masala that we prepared. This is a coconut paste. Mix it really well. Once that's done, also do not forget to add some water while you wash the you would be cleaning the mixie grinder and also ensuring all the masala is in the chicken curry and you've not wasted any. Now bring it to boil. Add some water as per your convenience and the thickness that you need, because we have coconut in it, it becomes a little thicker. Add some pudina and coriander if you want. I just added pudina to this one because we've already grinded a lot of coriander. And once it boils, voila, it is ready to be served. I hope you loved the recipe, and you would let me know in the comments below. If you liked it, do not forget to please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a world to me. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you next time.